So in this video I'm going to take this part, which is a shell, and I'm going to put a pattern of holes right through the side of it. So I'm going to start by drawing some sketches, and I'm going to draw a sketch on the right plane. So I'm choosing that now, and I like, of course, to see that sketch from the normal view, so I'm going to tell it that's what I want to do, and I'm just going to pop a circle down here right at this first spot. Then I'm going to use my Smart Dimensions to get this to be a circle of 5 millimeters in diameter. Then I'm going to place that circle 5 millimeters from this edge and 5 millimeters from the other edge. Of course, I'm just using the Smart Dimensions to help me with that. So I'm going to accept that sketch, accept that circle within that sketch, and then accept that sketch. Now you can see I have that sketch on the right plane. Now what I'm going to do is make an extrude cut, and as I make that, you can see that it's trying to just go through a portion of my product. So I'm going to tell it that I want it to go through all of the product. Now I have a hole that indeed goes all the way through. Now what I want to do is I want to pattern this hole in both directions. So I'm going to use the linear pattern. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the feature that I want to pattern. And I've selected that cut extrude. Then I need to choose the direction that I want to have it be patterned. And so I choose this direction, and it goes off to the right. You can see there's a preview on what it might look like. But if I hit this little button over here, I can change the direction of that. Sometimes that's necessary. Of course, it chose the right one. Now I need to get the other direction. I'm going to choose a vertical direction here. And in this case, the holes are headed in the wrong direction, so I'm going to flip that. Now I can see this is the pattern of holes that I would love to have on this part. So I'm going to accept that. And as I accept it, I now have a pattern of holes. Now I encourage you to get in deeper here and figure out how to do a radial pattern. We just showed you how to do a linear pattern here, but a radial pattern is also a valuable thing to learn to do. Good luck.